Okay, it is day 13 of me trading in my Apex funded account. This is where the account is right now. I'm in a trade. That is a red trade. Taking a 10 EMA setup. Price is above this pink line, which is my hourly 50 EMA. I'm on the 3-minute, and this is MNQ. So since we're above that line, I should mainly look for longs, right? So at that point, I'm looking for the first bear candle to open and close above the 10 EMA, which is this pink line. I mean, this light blue line here. So we have the market open here. I almost took this setup where price gave kind of a close enough candle. It closed right basically on top of the 10 EMA. Entry would have been here, stop somewhere here or here, probably here. And right before I was about to place the trade, a family member called me and I had to deliver something to them that they forgot. So missed out on that trade. That would have been a 1.2 to 1.3 R win, which I really needed in this account. So I was gone for all of this, which I'm kind of glad, right? It's pretty choppy anyways. So again, I'm trying to mainly go long. So basically when I got back to the computer, we have now this setup, which is the first bear candle opening and closing above the 10 EMA on the 3-minute after we have already closed below it. So it looks like we're trying to get back up there. This candle is right here that I'm pointing out is one that we have to kind of get above because it has some good bear volume. And then besides that, we have this bigger candle, which to be honest, my take profit is basically around the high of this candle. I'll be getting out if price can go up there. But yeah, like I said, we got to take out this high, which we're almost there. We're kind of battling. Let's see if price can push up. Today has been a very choppy day. So I have, I already kind of have my mind prepared for a loss. I'm not going to lie to you. But I also have my mind prepared for a winner, It's kind of, I kind of have both in my mind. I'm hoping my stop isn't too tight. Usually on something like this, I would put my stop below like a pivot, which really the safest stop would have been below these hammer candles here. We'll see kind of what happens. I mean, look at that. We had this nice candle and it's immediately the next one starting to come down. It's just a kind of a crazy day. I'm going to just manage my stop as best I can. Hopefully we can get to this 21-minute mark right here where I can move my stop up to a 0.7, around a 0.7 R loss right there. Again, I'm only playing one contract, so I wish this would be something that if it worked, I could leave a runner, but I can't do that at this point in my account. I have to just take the win and walk away, maybe set up another trade. But maybe not. Today is just kind of a crazy day. I do like, let's see, did we make it above that candle? No. Oh, we just now, okay, now we did. We've taken out the high of this candle that had a good amount of volume right here. But on a day like this, it, that may not matter. Okay, so I was able to move my stop up at the first 21-minute mark. About to the 0.7 R stop. Like this hammer candle. Let's see if I can wait. Let me set my timer really quick for another 21 minutes to get to this mark and maybe move my stop again. I won't feel as bad. I probably would actually move it probably a little bit below this hammer candle, maybe somewhere here. At that point, I won't feel as bad losing. I won't feel as bad already because I moved my R and I believe I'm risking like 116. Yeah, 116 on this trade. I wanted to put 2 contracts on, but then I immediately was like, I would feel horrible if I lose. So I said, no, let me stick with one. So we did get above that hammer candle just now. It's like we can't close above it. So I would love to see a close on it. I think if the low of this hammer candle gets taken out, even though it's a real choppy day, I would think we're coming down. You know, we could take it out and then reverse and go back up. That could happen. If I lose, I don't know if I'll have enough time to, you know, think about placing another trade in the day. So I'm hoping this can be a winner. You know, I've kind of had a rough, I've had a rough couple of trading days. So would love for this to be a winner for sure. What I do like is that we're holding that 10 EMA on the 3-minute. So I do like that. Now this hammer candle kind of closed, right? It did close a little bit below it, but that wasn't that bad. You know, it wasn't that bad. And it was a hammer candle. So I like that we're holding. If we start getting multiple candles closing below this 10 EMA, I may consider at that point maybe getting out of the trade, you know, especially if we come down and close at the 50 or below the 50 EMA on the 3-minute. I may not like that. So we did finally surpass for sure the high of the candle I was talking about with this volume. The next bear candle that has a lot of volume is this really big one right here. Yeah, this is a lot of volume right there. So I guess bulls are going to try to work its way. It'd be interesting if, this is the 4-hour here, if price can make it back up to this level here, where this box I've drawn is, the bottom of this box. It would be great to see if we can get a close in this box for today, or maybe, you know, tomorrow. We've got a big push now. I wish I had like multiple contracts to where I could like exit one here and just keep the rest, but I'm only having one contract. So I really want to try to hold for as long as possible. I'll be back with an update here on what happened. Okay, so target just got hit. Whew. I really needed that. But this is where the account is now. Great. Let me see. So made 137 on that. Trailing drawdown just a little bit higher now, which is cool. But I will be pretty much done for the day. I have to leave, but what kind of sucks is that this could just maybe run all day now. It could run all day. And I'm kind of starting to think this is kind of the consequence I get, right? Like if I trade poorly or just break my rules, if I, you know, just, or even like don't take setups that I know I'm supposed to, this is what happens. You know, I have to kind of remind myself. I end up potentially having to only take one contract at a time. But yeah, we could totally, I forgot, I don't know why I didn't draw this channel. Yeah, we could definitely head somewhere here on this channel. Maybe, again, it's very choppy. We could come down, close, start closing, and come back down here. But that was a really good trade. I was a little skeptical, but I wasn't worried about it. It was almost kind of like I've lost so many times that it's like, what's another loss gonna do? So, I don't know. Anyways, hopefully your trading day has gone good. Maybe I can get another win tomorrow. Or maybe I shouldn't even trade tomorrow. Again, Fridays can be kind of weird for me. So, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.